and this is Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you about how to be in a calorie deficit. So I think that you might have an idea about what calorie deficit is about, because I have already made a video about calorie deficit, which is my previous video. Just go watch it so that you get an idea what calorie deficit actually is. And so once you know what calorie deficit is, it is very important for you to know that how can you be in a calorie deficit, because if you know about what calorie deficit is but you don't have any idea how you are going to be in a deficit, or how you are gonna measure your calories, you won't lose weight. So yeah, I know I haven't been uploading videos from a long time, but yeah, I basically did not upload videos because I wanted to see what is the reaction of my audience. And actually a lot of people from my YouTube, a lot of people who are subscribing me or who are not even subscribing me came to my Instagram, and they actually asked me a lot of questions, and they were very eager to know about a lot of stuff. So I was really happy about it, and I wanted to see the reaction of other people who are subscribing me. I wanted to see their reaction when I do not upload any videos, and I also wanted to get suggestions from people about my YouTube channel, as it is a new channel. So I really need people to tell me what are the mistakes I'm doing and what they expect from me. And I got a lot of replies, and thank you for that. But I was really confused. Yeah, I was confused because some people were telling that your videos are very long. Some people are telling your videos are short. Some people are telling that maybe you are not audible enough, or so I will answer all those questions. That I cannot shout on the top of my voice. I am sure that if I shout, then if you are using earphones, you won't want to listen to me. And the second thing, why I'm making long videos. My videos are not that long, it's like 6 minutes or something. Anyway, why I'm making a little bit long videos, because I am putting all those information, all the necessary information in my videos that are needed for you. And I do not want to make short videos and just put a little bit information. I don't know whether you are watching the whole video or not, but if you watch it, it would be beneficial for you, because in every aspect of my video, I am putting all the information that are needed. So please do watch the full videos without skipping, so that you understand what exactly I want to say. So yeah, let's get into the topic and talk about how to be in a calorie deficit. So if you have not watched my previous video about calorie deficit, just go watch it so that you have an idea what I'm talking about today. And yeah, so the first thing is count your calories. You might think that okay, she told us that she will make a video on how to calculate your BMI and BMR. I will make a separate video on that, as I have promised. I will make a separate video on that. And before jumping into your workout, or before jumping into any kind of exercise which you are doing, you need to know how much calorie you need to eat, because calories are the most important thing. And diet is the most important thing when you are losing weight or maintaining weight. So yeah, first is count your calories. That is, I just told on my previous video that BMI and BMR, if you calculate your BMI, you get a number that is your maintenance calorie. So just go watch it. And the second one is you have to stay away from alcohol. I know you're gonna hate me right now. Lot of people are gonna hate me, but you have to stay away from alcohol. You get if if you consume alcohol, it puts those unnecessary fat, and you tend to get that small belly or any other kind of fat. So just stay away from alcohol. Alcohol has those unnecessary calories which you do not need to include in your diet or body. Okay, so second one was alcohol, and third one was lift heavy. When you go to gym, you always have the idea that we need to do a HIIT workout, or we need to do more and more cardio to lose weight. But that is a myth. That is totally wrong. You do not need to do all those running. You should do, obviously you have to do, but you do not need to do excess HIIT workout, excess cardio workouts to lose weight. You also need to lift heavy. Your lift heavy is never gonna disappoint you. If you lift heavy, it is going to benefit you. You will lose weight. Also, when you do a lot of cardio, you tend to lose all those muscle fats, which is not good. You can get, you might lose a lot of weight when you are doing your cardio or HIIT workout, but you might get loose skin. Because it will help you lose weight in a very short period, but you will get that loose skin. But if you lift heavy, it will tighten your muscles. It will also help you lose weight. So just do a combination of both and lift a lot of weights. And so that was number 3. Number 4 is have a lot of veggies. As I told that I have already veggies and proteins, so I have already made a separate video on what are the carbs you need to consume, what are the proteins you need to consume. So just go watch those videos. You will get an idea that what are the carbs and the proteins you should include in your diet, because carbs are equally important as proteins, as I said earlier, and you have to include both in your diet. And that is how you have to have a lot of veggies. You need to make a salad of both and just have it. So that is very important. So that was it for the video. I won't make long videos. I won't take a lot of your time, but these are the most important things you need to know. These are the simple, the small things which you need to know as of now, because before jumping into all those workouts, and before jumping, which I will make a video on workouts, and I will make a video on diet, on what is my diet, and I will make a video on what you should eat. But before jumping into that, you need to know all those simple things. You need to know about calorie deficit, carbs, proteins. You need to know about how to be in a calorie deficit. And I also made a video on the 5 simple things which you need to follow to lose weight. So just go watch all my videos, because all the videos have informative information which is going to help you lose weight or maintain weight. So just go watch it, and do follow all this for your calorie deficit. And I will make a separate video on how to calculate your BMI and BMR, so do watch it too.